Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. Yeah, we're just still working on cleaning the shop some. Getting a little better, getting some stuff out of here. Got stuff going on the carpet up there. And yeah, had a friend drop this off to me today. It is, I guess his grandfather's World War II era typewriter. It's just a little old, so showing a little wear. Actually, it's really not. It's in fantastic shape. We've got some sticky keys. Need some lube on some of these. Yeah, you can see there. So we'll take care of that. But his main problem is these little rollers right here. I don't know if you can see. Got light. Oh, not much light, but they are flat spotted. So he was curious if I can 3D print those and replace them, and they are just a hard rubber. I think I've got a hard TPU or a TPU PLA hybrid that'll work just fine for these. The trick is getting it off. Yeah, so it looks like it's not gonna be too bad. You can see I've been in here playing. So we're gonna pop this rod, this little tab. We're gonna pull this rod out of here and take a caliper to the. Oh shit! Easy on the Matoyo. So we'll take a caliper to these guys, and then jump over here in Tinkercad and just whip up some little rubber cylinders, and hopefully we can just break these dry rod ones off and slide the other ones on nice and tight. Should be a nice and simple job as long as this rod doesn't give me issue going in and out. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, I'm just hoping that, oh yeah, oh maybe, oh yeah, look at that, easy peasy, no, don't need to soak it in WD-40 or anything. Let's see, oh yeah, we'll run into a, That'll be, yeah, we'll worry about that in a minute. Need a light back here. Sweet. How close are we? Yeah, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Hell, that's that about looks like that. I wonder how hard this will be to get off. Yeah. Oh, yep, cool. So all in all, this is not going to be too bad of a job, maybe. Especially considering I did not know anything about typewriters. I don't think I've even ever held a typewriter. I don't think I've ever actually even used a typewriter, other than just smacking on some keys randomly here and there. Just barely before my time. That'd be great under the fingernails. Cool. Easy peasy. Might be just a fuzz snug. Of course, a little lube. Slide right in there. Nice. Okay, cool. So we've got that. We can resize that easy enough. We need to find some TPU appropriate rubber to print this out of that's going to be hard and a little grippy, but not wear out or leave black marks on the paper. So let's clean up our mess. Oh no, nowhere to put the mess. It's over here. Let's see, I did have some random TPU, yeah. TPU PLA 3D Universe. I bought this years ago. What is this? PLA TPU. Alright. Got it disassembled here. Gonna finish breaking the rubber off these little cores. Got this. These work pretty well. Just maybe just a little snug. They might actually be just right with the TPU, so they don't have to worry about them sliding off. And yeah, I think we've got a pretty good replica here. A couple different versions of TPU. So I've got a PLA TPE, PLA TPU. Didn't remember exactly what these were, the differences in these two, so I did have to look them up. So we've got TPU for temperature, performance, and strength, and flexible industrial rubber flexibility is required, ideal for more shock, couplings, grommets, fasteners, clips. That sounds like that's gonna be us. What the hell did I just do? Oh, fucking genius. This, and yeah, it's a nice hardish rubber. Wonder if we'll have to dry this. Probably. So, cool. Got that. We'll jump right back over here. And, so yeah, so we've got this guy. It was all good. So I'm just gonna just soften it a little bit. So not the segments, I guess, yeah. So yeah, like we'll just put a little bevel on the edges. And yeah, we can soften the whole thing. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So I guess that's probably millimeters, so yeah, we'll just go back to 5mm bezel. Awesome. I don't see anything wrong with that. Export this guy out. Blam. It's saved to this one. Blam. Come on now. Ooh, we have to find us some settings for this. Alright, let me We dig around on 3D Universe's page here, TPE. 4575. Alright, so I mean that's pretty close to like PET G. Alright, yeah, so we'll just pop in here. Let's see, let's check this. TPU 240 to 250. Plate low. Let's see what that one looks like. 70, 220, 270. What does this stuff say? 225, 245. Alright, we'll just have to custom profile here. No biggie, no biggie. That's what it said, 70, 75, 20% fan. Cooling. Let's see. Minimum, maximum. I don't know why I did 70. Do that, okay. XP. Alright, I think that's it. We will slice this bitch. Fuck it. Send it. What's worse that happened when I print it again? Let's check this Amrose. Oh, look. Oh my lord, what has happened? Oh my god. Chaos. Well, that kind of sucks a little. It should probably be okay. Let's not unstick Amrose as well. There's a pile of poop back here. How will it print? Let's see. I think it's just gonna have some random hair. Maybe it won't be too bad. Freaking how many hours on that thing? I think almost a 2-day print. Day and a half print. Working up some copy for another post. This post, I guess. We will see. Let's see, how's it gonna print? Oh, boo. Will it print? Will it stick? Here we go. You can do it. You can do it, little guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it didn't look too bad. Didn't look bad at all. Alright. Alright. Looks alright. Yeah, 240. We will check back in 12 minutes and see what happens. Alright, got one in black, this TPE printed off here. I wonder if it's actually squishy. Not really. I'm curious. That is super hard. Okay, well, we will see. Oh, yeah, well, I should make that bigger too. Okay, it shrunk some. Well, never mind. I'm never gonna get that. No, especially with it not being rubbery. Okay, never mind. Alright, got the new, see this is the one that did not fit. This is one we resized. You can see I kind of like, I don't think they called this chamfering. It does have a little chamfer, but it's like whatever. Blended the top edge of that top. I think I did millimeter of that edge. So hopefully it'll make it a little more like these, where it looks they look pretty close. And so we're gonna crunch the rest of these off, and do a little test fit. Snap. It's come right off of there. He's so old. There's an actual date on this thing. There's a serial number. Going to smush the rest of these off. Get this guy test fitted on there. We'll come back if it fits. We'll print 2-3 more of these and get this back to Sam. So sit tight. Alright, I think we got it all finished up. Show you what we did. Here's the rollers we replaced. Hey, it's just part of this, mushes the paper in there, part of the feed mechanism. Make sure it's, yeah, that's down, that's up. Whatever. It's easier from the front. So, I lied. Get in there. It was working a minute ago, I swear. There we go. Hey. Sweet. Thing. Is there not like an enter key? I wonder how do you go to the next line? It missed the target on brand.